So today I'm going to take you step by step on opening up a Stan account. Now this is going to be brief and easy so you can see all the questions it will ask you while going through this. Now you can see here we have a continue button that we're going to get started with, and in case you're curious, I'm going to have the link in the show notes down below so you can take you to this exact same landing page to go ahead and get started. It is an affiliate link, allows me to make more free content just like this for all small business owners. So we're going to go ahead and click on continue here and see what the first set of questions are going to be when it comes to opening up this account. So you can see first and foremost, it's going to ask for a username, your actual name, an email address, if you have a TikTok username, phone number, and then we're going to go ahead and create our password. Now, again, if you do end up using that link in the show notes, you're going to go ahead and get a 14-day free trial. So you can go through this process, see how it works, and then decide if you want to go ahead and pay for the whole process. So we're going to fill this out, click on this button right over here, and I'm going to show you the very next step. Now, the next section here is going to offer you the two different options, whether you want to pay monthly or pay for the annual. You can see the annual is 20%. Now, I just mentioned in the previous scene that you do get the 14 days entirely for free. While you do actually have to put in your card information to go ahead and get that 14 days, you can actually just go ahead and cancel it right after going through this process, but you do need to choose whether you want to go annual or monthly. It is toggled on for monthly for us to go that route, which is $29 a month. And then we're going to go ahead, fill out our credit card information, check off our acknowledgement box. Then the start your 14-day free trial will populate in the highlighted color. So we're going to click on that and then go to the next page. Now, next up here, it is going to ask for you to select your content niche. And you can see there are quite a few different options. If you do not see your option, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and click on other. So for us, in our example, we're going to go ahead and do business coaching. Now, next up here, it's asking you, how did you learn about Stan? If you want to go ahead and use our handle, it is @businessnerd. You can go ahead and put that there. If not, you can just go ahead and click on next and it'll just take you to the very next page. And just like that, our account is now up and running. We can now start filling in with our photo, our details, and our links to the products and services that we want to offer. Now, like I mentioned earlier, we'll have a link for you in the show notes down below to go ahead and check out and sign up using Stan. That does help support us out, but it gets you more free content just like this for running your small business. Now, speaking of more content, I'm going to actually post up my next video right over here that you should definitely be watching if you want to continue to grow your business.